Complete your cooling fan with low-cost accessories from Orion Fans. We'll save you time and money. Orion Fans makes accessories to guarantee design accuracy, consistent quality, reliability, and fast delivery, all for the best price. Our Louvered Fan Guards and meshes filter to 8 microns, protecting against dust and dirt. Traditional filter kits fit most AC or DC fans and include a UL 94 feet V0 flame-rated thermoplastic guard, snap-in retainer, and media in 30 or 45 PPI. The kits ensure long life for your enclosed systems. Plastic and push-on fan guards have aerodynamic designs to reduce noise. They're lightweight and cost-effective, and the wire or wire mesh guards meet UL and Canadian UL standards. They will withstand 220 pounds of separation force, maintain high air passage, filter contaminant, and shield EMI and RFI. Orion's AFM series is great for indicating proper airflow. Field retrofittable for either AC or DC fans or blowers, this robust little sensor protects power supplies, PoE midspans, and displays. It's a smart choice for servers, telecom switches, medical equipment, and kiosks. Use our fan cords to connect multiple fans to one power source and daisy chains to connect and disconnect easily. Order our round and square hole snap-in cage nuts for mounting equipment into 19-inch racks. With heavy-duty zinc plating, these mounting nuts are available in M6, 1032, and 1224 thread sizes. Orion Fans has the broadest line of fan accessories and the fastest response times in the industry. For more information, go to orionfans.com.